So to guys, GN Mikase. So Shimikase Island Win was an experimental destroyer of the Imperial Japanese Navy during World War II. She was one of a kind of a squad of 15 torpedoes at one time. Shimikase was discovered by RV Patrol in Ormoc Bay in December 1, 2017 at 715 feet or 218 meter below the surface. She was a Mongol Creek, but the 3-quarter torpedo tube launcher confirmed her identity. So ito yung mga sinasabi ko guys na mga nakasulat sa bato na mga historical sa Ormoc, at dito yung mga nangyari, yung gera between sa Japanese at American. So ito may mga nakasulat pa dito, may mga nakasulat pa. Ito Nami Beach Wave Yukumo discovered. So in 20 January 2018, Hanami was located in a hotel at depth of 325 meters or 1066 feet in Ormoc Bay. She was positively identified as a Yokomo class destroyer with her configuration 127 guns and torpedo launch. From the action report from US plane and sank her Hameni's bow was blown off before sinking at the bottom wall blow section. So ito yung mga nangyari guys. So sa bawat bato natin na nakikita doon guys, na indicate doon yung pangyayari sa Pilipinas dito sa Ormoc. At bukod doon guys, ito yung mga pangyayari dito, ito na banda dito, yung mga nakikita natin sa picture o sa mga news. Dito yung mga pinagtambayan ng mga American. Dito yung ginawa itong base, dito nangyari yung giyera.